Welcome to Unit 5.2, a review of MicroPython for the 32 Spanish pesetas. We will take the first step into the world of hardware using MicroPython on the ESP32, connecting our code to the real world through GPIO. What is the difference between standard Python and MicroPython? Standard Python runs on PCs with full-scale libraries and unlimited resources. MicroPython is scaled down for microcontrollers like the ESP32, using only specific libraries due to limited memory. The machine module acts as a bridge between software and hardware. The import machine statement is crucial for controlling low-level hardware and configuring ESP32 pins as either input or output. GPIO has two main mechanisms, command and sensing. Digital output is for commanding external devices, such as supplying voltage to turn an LED on or off. Digital input is for sensing the external world, like detecting a button press. The value command is powerful. Using .value1 or .value0 sets the state, either supplying power 1 to turn on an LED or turning it off, 0. Using an empty .value reads the state, checking if a button is pressed. Be aware of the danger of a floating state. If an input pin is not managed, its state will float randomly between 0 and 1 due to stray signals, leading to erroneous button press detection by the microcontroller. Use pull_UP to control stability. Machine.Pin.pull_UP pulls the voltage up to 3.3 volts inside the ESP32 chip. The default state, when not pressed, is high, 1. When pressed, it connects to ground, 0. Here is an example code for a smart watering system. The LED is connected to GPIO2 as an output, and the button to GPIO4 with pull_UP. If the button value is 0, pressed, the LED turns on. Otherwise, it turns off. If the hardware is missing, you may encounter an OS error, ERNO19 ENODEV error. This is a physical hardware issue, not a syntax error. Check for missing sensors, loose wires, or the absence of a pull-up resistor. Finally, let's check your understanding. Remember, the ESP32 requires MicroPython-specific libraries. Pin.out defines a power-supplying pin, pull_UP defaults to 3.3 volts or logic 1, and ENODEV is a hardware error.